Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your investments with Charles Schwab. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your investments with Charles Schwab, start by creating an account on their website. Visit the Charles Schwab homepage. Click on the Open an Account button. Fill in your personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Provide your employment information and financial details. Review and confirm your details to complete the account setup. Next, log in to your Charles Schwab account. Navigate to the Accounts tab on the dashboard. Select Portfolio and Account Security from the menu options. Review the security features available. Opt for two-factor authentication to enhance your login security. Follow the prompts to set up this feature using your mobile device. Next, consider setting up alerts for account activity. Go to the Alerts section and choose the types of alerts you want. Enable notifications for transactions, balance changes, and market movements. Now, focus on your investment portfolio. Assess your current investments and diversify if necessary. Explore options like stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Use Schwab's research tools to evaluate potential investments. If you plan to make changes, ensure you're aware of the risks involved. Maintain regular check-ins on your investments. Set a schedule to review your portfolio at least quarterly. To further protect your investments, consider setting up a trust or a beneficiary designation. Consult a tax or estate planning professional for tailored advice. Lastly, stay informed about market trends and economic factors. Utilize Schwab's educational resources and financial news. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your investments with Charles Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.